Jules, welcome back to another DIY. This DIY is inspired by this girl that I saw on TikTok. I'm gonna leave her name if I can find it. But yeah, I saw that she recreated Harper from Wizard of Waverly Place dress, and I absolutely love Wizard of Waverly Place when I was growing up. So I was like, I have to recreate this. So that's what I did in this video. So what you're gonna need is some markers, some jump ring, what else? A nice dress. You're gonna need a ribbon if you want your waist to be snatched in. So that's what I'm gonna be using to snatch in my waist. What else? Let me think. Okay, so you're gonna need some cord edge caps, some clear glue, and some lol bead. You're just gonna need the whole set, and everything in that set you can use. So that's all like the supplies that you're gonna be needing. And this is really, really simple. What you're gonna do is add some glue, whatever glue you want to use. I'm using the Gorilla Glue, so I'm adding some glue at the bottom of the marker, and then just putting on the caps on there, and then just leaving it for it to dry, just like that. Quick and easy. Make sure that you press down on it and hold down on it for a quick second, or else it's gonna keep on lifting up because the glue kind of does take a few minutes for it to dry. I think you could use a hot glue gun. I don't think it could melt. I don't know. I didn't use a hot glue gun, so I don't know how it will work. But yeah. By the way, the girl that did this on TikTok did another video on how you can make the dress. So I'm just following her little tutorial. So everything that she did, I'm just doing the exact same thing. The only difference is I'm adding a ribbon, and I'm not doing the earrings. So yep. But just repeating the same step, gluing on the bottom of the marker, and you're good to go. By the way, the marker, I think, was it 50 that came? 50 markers. So any amount of markers that you have, you're going to need the same amount of caps to put on the bottom of the marker, or else you won't have enough. So yeah. You're going to need an equal amount. I didn't have an equal amount, even though I did order some extra ones. So, but I didn't end up using all of it, so it doesn't really matter. Don't add a lot of glue, because if you do, when you push down the caps on top of it, then the glue is going to be seeping out. So you just need a little bit amount and you should be good to go. Yep, this is the first step. This is pretty easy. By the way, everything in this video I got from Amazon. I just ordered everything from Amazon. Way easier. I'm antisocial. I don't like to be around people, so mainly I like to order stuff offline. So I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a close-up of how I'm applying the glue and then applying the caps on top. So just adding a little bit around the edge and then just pushing on the caps all the way down so you cover up whatever color marker it is. You know, that top part. Make sure you push it all the way down until you hear that little click. A little click. It's going to make a little click sound. All of mine did. So that's how you know that you went all the way down and you fully cover it up and everything like that. Just like that. And you're good to go. And here's a better look. Just in case. That's a little bit too much glue. So this is, I did all of them, and this is how every one of them turned out. So the next step is to get these little, what are these called? Rings, eye rings. I don't know, these little hole thingies. So you're gonna need to attach that onto the top of the cap cords. There's a little hole in between, so you just push it all the way through, and you're gonna attach it to the dress that you're making it out of. And that's how you do it. I didn't close it all the way in because I'm gonna attach it to the skirt, right? Not the skirt, the dress right away, but just showing you guys how I am doing it. I decided to use this, I don't even know what that blue thing is called. I never know. But open it up by my hands, so starting to hurt my fingers, so I just decided to use this instead. It does open it up a little bit way too wide, but that's okay. That's okay. When you're closing it up and everything, make sure you tighten it so that it doesn't fall off. If you just put it on there just like that and you start moving around, it's going to be dropping off you one by one. So make sure that you attach it nice and tight. So this is the fun part. We're going to be attaching it to the dress. This dress I got in a medium. I don't know why. I should have sized down like an extra small, but I got a medium. So that's why I had to add the ribbon around my waist, just to give the illusion that I'm snatched. But yeah, this is just how the dress looks. It's just a simple black t-shirt dress. So yeah, first thing first, attaching it. By the way, this dress is very thin, so all you need to do is just poke the dress and you're good to go. Just like that, you're attaching it in. This is pretty simple and easy. You don't have to use that. You can just use your fingers to just tighten it. And you're good to go. And that is the first one. Now we have 6 to 7 more to go. So I'm going to do around the neck, a little bit on the sleeve, and then we're just going to go all the way down the dress, just filling it out with the markers, and you're good to go. This is basically like the whole video. By the way, this whole video took me like 2-3 minutes, probably 4 minutes stop. I left the glue overnight for everything to fully dried. Just want to make sure that it was dried. It was on securely, and you're good to go. Make sure that the white thing, the eye grids, what is that called? I don't know. Make sure you tighten it onto the dress, the part that you're attaching. It's very, very tight, because as soon as you move, if it's not tightened, then it's going to open up and you're going to have markers dropping from left to right. So just poke in the dress, attaching it, and you're good to go. I didn't measure up anything. I just eye it like, well, maybe I need to put some right there, put some right there, and I'm good to go. Then I just layer it on and on and on, and we're good to go. On and on and on. Is it just like that? And it looks good. Looks good so far. So now we're just going to fill out the whole dress, and wherever there's a little space, what I did was I just add some of the markers in between it so that it could look more fuller and stuff. And I didn't end up using all of the markers. So, yep. Some of the caps, the cord and caps didn't have holes in them, or some of them broke off, so that's why I wasn't able to use all of the markers. So, and I didn't pay attention to when I was gluing on everything. So when I was finished, I was trying to attach. I was like, where's the top for this? why is there no hold in this? Like, what is going on? So unfortunately, I wasn't able to use everything, but I still think it turned out pretty good. Now I'm just redoing the step over and over and over again. This is pretty boring, but this is kind of like the final product. I still need to do the sleeve and do the bottom and fill it in, but I'm just showing you guys how it looks so far. And that's how it looks. Boop. And this is the final product. This is how the dress looks. So the ribbon, the black ribbon that I had, that I'm tying up right now, it was a little bit loose. So I was like, oh, let me snatch it in so that I cannot breathe or anything like that. Like, what is the purpose of breathing? There is none. But this is how the dress turned out. I think it turned out pretty cute. Yeah, this was just like a fun little video, nothing too serious. But yeah, I hope that you guys find this funny, or I don't know. That one fell off because it wasn't tight. Tight knit. Make sure tight knit. Tight knit. Oh, I need to perm my hair. Ugh. But yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And we're in what? March, February? I don't know, but I can't wait for prom season to start because I have already finished 4 or 5 prom dresses that I've already made. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys. Bye.